DJM TV.
Country people, una welcome to DJM TV weekly news update for Pidgin English. Me wan like this week on una country brother Stanley Okocha. I beg my brother, my sister, if this one are the first time when you take dey watch our ogbonge news like this, I beg make you subscribe to our YouTube channel wey be DJM TV. Make you click on the notification bell so that you go continue dey receive hot ogbonge news like this. Our first news for today na be the one when it concern
DJM TV.
Well, this is surprise. Okay, let me ask. So, Governor, will you be prepared to reduce the tuition fees to what operated before you came in, at least for university students?
Well, it is something I believe this state cannot do. I am not prepared to do it because we have responsibilities, and those responsibilities were put on us by the government to start in. This state has no business having 3 universities at the same time. Today, if they were allowing 25,000 when they had 2 universities, when you now have 3 universities, it is a whole lot of responsibility. And I believe quite strongly, for that matter, that we have more than what we are chewing, more than what we can bite, or we are biting more than what we can chew. Sorry for that. And for me, it is for the good of these people, of our people, that our students will go to university and have proper university education, not have great education, not one in which because you are paying pittance, you don't get proper education. We are giving them proper education. That's why today, Akeredolu that you are talking about is the best university, state university in Nigeria.
You have opportunity now to ask him a question.
Thank you. Well, Tayo, the question I will ask you is this. You have toured round the state, and I want you to be honest to the people. Have you not seen the impact of good governance in this state today, in terms of infrastructure, in terms of our primary schools, in terms of provision of water, in terms of industrialization that was not nowhere to be found before I came in? Have you not seen anything? Tell them.
Unfortunately, I have not seen much. Unfortunately, I've not seen in Ilaje, I've not seen the infrastructure, I've not seen in Ondo, I've not seen in Irili.
Maybe in Akure? You have not seen enough.
I have not seen enough. I have not seen enough in Akure.
You have not seen enough.
All I can tell you is that I will do more than you, sir.
Did you do that?
I will do more than you.
Your government, did you do that at all?
I will do more than me.
No, why you? No, I don't know what to ask.
You said I should be honest.
You said you have not seen. I've pointed out to you so many places. Did you see Nikare? Did you see Akure where you are? Look, Tayo.
I intend to complete your project.
my brother, my sister, if this one are the first time when you take dey watch our ogbonge news like this, I beg make you subscribe to our YouTube channel wey be DJM TV. Make you click on the notification bell so that you go continue dey receive hot ogbonge news like this.
DJM TV. DJM TV.